Y'all look so good in this camera over here. HD. Ah, yeah, they just have a picture on there, but it's not, I promise. I like you. Marmar. Good morning. Good morning. Hey, you guys. You be beating my baby on the low? You be beating my baby on the low, man.
I love you.
I'm just playing. Say, I'm just playing. Why you so upset this morning? What's going on? Oh, God. Go get Susie. We're going to knock on Susie's door. Go say, get up, Brooklyn. Get up, Brooklyn. Good morning. Who wants to go get breakfast? You wanna go eat? You do? Yeah. Of course you're gonna change your clothes. Come here, stinkies. Let's get you changed. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby. Yeah, I know you said you didn't count that. Hey, the old mixed stinkies. Come here. Good morning. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Good morning, baby. Come here. Oh, don't bop mommy in the face. Can I get kisses? Can you get kisses? Come on, look. Just leave that. You gotta be so extra. It's just shoes. Oh, you can't walk now. You magically can't walk because you have no shoes. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that baby. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, we are back at the Waffle House.
We're at Waffle.
To eat some breakfast. Waffle House. And as you can tell, we're in the smaller car. You want to say good morning?
Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Salutations.
And we're in Daddy's car.
Let's go eat, guys. The Batman car.
Yep.
You saw it. We're just waiting to eat. We've been here for like 20 minutes now.
Hey, Mommy.
Yes.
Look. It's in my mouth, see?
Oh, the little, she's talking about the little pause button. We finally got our table.
Mommy, why do you need the chocolate milk for?
Yeah, it's right there.
Why do you
down the
need
street. It's right across from Publix.
Mommy,
What?
why did you bring chocolate milk?
For y'all?
Oh, and I can get that light.
Oh, yeah. We'll stop there right when we're done. Yes, I brought, y'all know, we're like healthy and they don't sell stuff like this.
Rice milk.
Just leave it. You don't need it quite yet. Let's get our order in.
They get here, we can order.
True. What do y'all want? Stinky McDaniels. Stinky McDaniels.
They got waffles in, I think.
Yeah. You want that one?
Waffle.
Can I have waffle then?
You want a waffle? Yeah, I'm just gonna get an all-star. I get the same thing all the
We
time.
can share also.
Yeah, they can. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, because that's enough food. And then y'all can do hash browns and eggs.
This one.
Mm-hmm.
This one. one.
Okay, you want that one? And what you want, Mama? Huh? What you
You
want?
just look at the table. You doing good.
He's so cute. He just likes the textures and the feel of things. No, two. Yeah. Yeah, we don't really need a drink for the other meal. Correct. Yeah.
One with 3 eggs and one with 4 eggs.
Yes.
What would I be today?
Yeah. Yeah, that should be it. I was about to say, bring an extra plate, but we're going to have a million plates, so we don't really need it anyway. Y'all look so good in this camera on here. HD. I know, they just have a picture on there, but it's not, I promise. It's not. Yeah, I'm sure. Handsome. Yes. Hi. Can I say good morning? Is it mixed with macaroni? No, it's not mixed with macaroni, silly. It's saying something about it. Horizon, let's see, spends all day dreaming up stuff for you, like our yummy mac and cheese.
Yay! Mac and cheese milk. I like you.
It's not mac and cheese milk. He said, I smell food. Feed me. Feed me. He said, why aren't we eating yet? Y'all see the stomach? Man, guys, that was so good. What? Where are you going? Why?
Kane ain't gonna be able to sit in there with all the stuff about to get.
Alright, so we had to come to Walmart to restock on some of the stuff that we lost in our freezer. So we got one cart here, and then we got a daddy cart over there with the kidlets. Brooklyn, stop.
I'm trying to get out.
So, on a mission over here, people. He's got to go to sleep so he can go to work. It said like extra long or something like that.
Kaden, I found something you like.
See? Extra long.
Oh, okay.
Kaden, look.
Okay, I see now. So this is just heavyweight.
Yeah, this is going to be the normal size. So this is our shower is long.
What's the number on it? Like the 4-digit number or 3-digit number?
3157.
3157.
Yes.
Right there.
Okay.
NA.
Are there any letters behind it, or is it just 3157?
3157 LL.
LL.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Thank you. I'll be in shortly.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, dang, baby. You seen these? I'm going to buy one of these for Christmas and fight you. Look. Dang. Should cut my fingers.
What?
This.
Oh, true. A little boba joint.
That looks fun as shit.
Most extreme contact sport ever. You get hurt.
Baby, I would.
You know I hurt you.
I would do you with this. Come on, man. You would get done. I don't want to hear it.
$50 you don't want to see.
Oh my goodness. I want to do it. I'm going to regret it. I ain't going to regret it. Yeah. No, because we didn't order one yesterday, so we can see if they have a jacket here for you. You want to get down and run around and look? Just go look. Okay, that's fine. Look for a jacket, Mama. She says.
I don't see that.
Are you sure? Because I just passed some.
Jackets are white.
That's all they have? It can't be all they have. Cannot. Just can't. Look at these cute little shirts. Oh, look at the wood. Oh, and they got the feet out. Maybe Santa Claus will bring it this year. I'm surprised she didn't say what she usually say. You gotta be on your best behavior.
Going fast.
Yeah, I was trying to cut it off. I don't know how to cut it off. But yeah, she picked out these shoes,
you
guys.
cut it off.
Oh, I did? Okay.
You only have to push this button, maybe.
How do you cut it? Oh, there you go. Cut it off twice.
Yeah, different colors, that's why.
Gotcha. Okay.
Cycle through all the colors first.
Okay. All right. Take them off so we can buy them. Put them in the cart. He said something about Paw Patrol. Where did he see Paw Patrol at? Where's Paw Patrol?
Oh, he's
He's
talking
talking about that Batman shirt over there. That's
put
what
him
he's
in.
talking to me about.
Aw, Grumpy woke up. Oh, okay. Katie, mommy will try to buy you some Paw Patrol.
Oh, put that stuff in this bucket. You got the...
Oh, food. That's right. Brooklyn, put this over there. All right, I'll keep looking for a jacket for you because it's not going to be here. The runaway baby. He's so cute and delicious, man. He's taking over Walmart. Mama, come here. Come here. Come on. Let's explore the cereal aisle. What about, I'm going to get a couple bags. Get one of these because Mama. I have some Pops. Don't they have the fake kind of that? It's right here. The Corn Busters. See, I'm so cheap. Look, I got the big bag for you. Look, ooh. Look, Kay. Look. Got the big bag for you. You want those? It's the same thing. You just get more. Thank you. In the ice cream aisle, our favorite aisle in the world. Obviously. It's right here. It's going to be on one of these. It's got a dusty top. Let me get the one in the back. Yep. Bunch of good stuff in here. Whole bunch. Alright. Ready? I want to get a bag of those on the border chips. Tastes be good as shit. No, it's the,
That's
see,
part
look.
of the picture. Yeah.
Yeah. This is really cute. See, y'all want to go check your Walmart out. They got lunch boxes for $1. $1. This is awesome.
Is my lunch
And it's
box.
got a second compartment at the bottom for your cold stuff. So we racked up on these. Got one for Makai, got one for Tata, got one for this little cutie here, got one for Marmar, and got one for Brooklyn.
This
So,
one is for mine.
yeah.
This one is mine. I got
Really
it.
cute. That's yours, your Paw Patrol. And then you can put like you can put other stuff in there too. You don't have to like whatever. I just mean like if you're not using it for lunch, you can use it for something else.
Like toys.
Yeah, for like your stuff. You good? Okay. Let's get Daddy home so we can get him some rest. Vegetarian meats that we did pick up. I'm gonna do some baked spaghetti. And you already know. I know, that's the bottom part. We got this big old container for $8. I've never paid that much for ice cream. But whatever, it is what it is. Did you get affected at all by the power? Oh, we didn't have power for 4 days. 4 days. I have 5. I have 5 kids. I'll be 34 this year, yeah. Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Oh, thank you. Yes.
How did you cook with that?
Oh, man. Prayer. It was terrible. It was so terrible. Okay, so we are done. We've been in here forever, man. Oh, I gotta try to push this cart. We found some great deals, but as y'all can see, we spent about $315. Don't want to spend that much. Wasn't trying to spend that much, but we ended up spending that much anyway, so. I forgot where we parked at. They don't take anything back.
Yeah, I asked him. I was like, if it don't work, can I bring it back? He was like, yeah, but it was like I'm not really sure.
Yeah, it was because she had told me last time that they don't accept refunds, but they'll let you exchange it if it's not working.
Gotcha.
All right, guys.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, I'm about to drop y'all.
What is what for? I don't know what this is. I'm driving, baby. I can't look back there. You have to tell me what it is or explain it.
It's something under the door handle. It's okay. It's just part of the car. It's nothing. Daddy is official. Got his hair dryer, y'all. So you already know he gonna put me to work. Yeah, I'm so tired. So Daddy went in to go get drinks from the store. We are going to go home, unload all this stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, I'm hot and I'm sweating. Bearsy bears. Oh my goodness, baby. No, we don't need it. And sit down and put your seatbelt back on, love. So we're going to head on home, unwind. Daddy has to go to work tonight, and hopefully they don't drive me crazy, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't have any energy for that. What, Booskins? A Paw Patrol? Okay, he wants his Paw Patrol little thing we bought. I can't believe those things were $8 each. We got them for $1 each. So we got 5 of them. 5 times 8 is what, 30?
Pops to go, not Paw Patrol.
I mean 40. What's wrong with me? 40. Dang, see, sleep would do me good. 40. And then we got what else we got? So it would have been $40 and we paid $5.
Police is gone.
You cannot. I mean, you just can't beat that. I see the cops. I see them. I see them driving off. Tell them bye. Bye, Booskins. We don't want to see you. Oh my goodness, y'all save me right now, please. I'm a little tired. Just a little tired and hot. Got flakes falling down from my head. You see it snowing. Dry scalp. I don't know.
I'm like, why do we have all these baby bottles in here? Nobody uses it.
We can toss them. Guys, these are the bags right here that I wanted to show you. They were only $1. And they were originally, if you can tell, I don't even know if the sticker's still on here.
Bag for $1.
For $1, shouty. So yeah, you can't beat these lunch boxes. Sorry, babe. I can't seem to do anything right today. I'm just messing with you. I'm just messing with you. This is yeah. So we got Caden's, Malik, Makai's.
That wasn't the radio, y'all. That was me.
Brooklyn's.
I know it sounded like it was probably the actual song, but it was just me.
Really? You want to say it again? And then we have Marmar's down here. Only $1. I can't stand that freaking manager at the store. She always giving me attitudes every time she see me, man. All of you.
The dark city.
Yeah. All of these aren't $1. Yes, they are.
We're about to be spoiled. And we
Okay.
have to open them 24th.
24th. Okay.
The other ones are good till October, but we gotta work on those.
Okay. And then y'all saw Brooke's shoes in the store. We ended up buying those. What else did we buy? Some more clips. Yeah, I just showed them that.
Oh, okay.
The
We got
clips.
the shower curtains. We got some more clips.
We
Oh,
got
you showed them
some
the dryer we got?
Oh, no. I kind of showed it to them in the car. But these two are the shower curtains because both of ours are getting moldy at the bottom. And we had to get the light for the car. The turning signal. Yeah, no, it's really bad. And yeah, so this is the hair dryer that we got for his dreadlocks, y'all. Them things moving. So yeah, we finally bought it. I remember a few vlogs back we were looking at it and we couldn't find a better dryer, better price. So that was awesome. It was what, $39. So This will do better than that freaking fan we've been using. And then we got some more clips. It's like 30 of them, and they were like $3. I know, it really is. And then Daddy got some more underwear. And he got some shirts.
Cause I ran out of drawers, y'all. I ran out of drawers. It was bad last night.
He really did. That's...
No one was complaining though.
Look, this is I'm not even touching on that. These are for my babies.
She don't want to show y'all her true colors.
Hey.
I ain't gonna say no more. I'm sorry.
I'm not messing with him. And then I got booked these two shirts that were on clearance, and they were $3. I'm too tired today. It is. It really is.
Go to Moe's, not Joe's.
Welcome to Moe's. Oh, my baby's sleeping. I forgot. But these little cute little shirts.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, right. They were $3, right?
I didn't even peep.
It's the same. So this one, yeah, same, made the same way. But yeah, a little peach joint and a little cute little flowy jelly bellies. So yeah, that was our haul. Well, no, because I didn't show you guys the food, but you know, you can kind of get an idea, yeah, of like everything that we got. You can see the most expensive thing I think we bought in here was lasagna and the ice cream. Everything else, we got a whole bunch of like vegetarian meats, organic burritos, some more pizza, some more little meals. But oh, all right, I'm gonna clean these later. I'm not doing this right now. And what drink? Oh, yeah, sure. Yeah, put those in the refrigerator for now. And we got a whole bunch of, like, you see the protein Special K drinks. I used to drink those a while back. Yeah, so the kids are actually over here at the table enjoying a little treat. Yum, yum, yum. And let's walk in the cabinet really quick while the pantry. What's wrong with me? I need sleep. I just bought more. So I bought like macaroni. We bought some sunflower seeds because they're really good in protein as well. We got some more cereal, like 2 bags of those. Bought a whole bunch of these little Goya drinks. These were like amazing. And then, oh yeah, we do have sauce already. Great. And then we just bought a whole bunch more of like the little spaghetti, the Bruce's yams. Oh, what else did we buy, guys? Some little on the border chips and some more. I love these things, not just for challenges, but Lord, these are amazing. I love to just eat those. And then we bought some more of the snacks and stuff up here. So that was $200 worth of food, and then $100 worth of items that were not food. I just got out of the shower and I'm about to put the kids PJs on, and we are going to just chill. Probably I'm gonna go downstairs and like make some noodles because it's the only thing that I want to eat today. Some spicy noodles. And I've been editing. I am, hi cutie, look at my baby. He's so hard to concentrate when that little face comes around. He's so mean now sometimes, super mean. But well, let's go get clothes on your body, little stinky baby.
No, not my body.
Did I put on deodorant? I totally forgot if I did. I gotta smell them. Yeah, I did. Hold on. I'm coming. I'm our little setup over here. Let me go find y'all some PJ.
Mommy,
Hmm?
when we're done, you can put it downstairs over there.
No, y'all can just put it in my bathroom trash can, okay?
Okay.
Just, yeah. They're enjoying a little bit of a snack, obviously, and nice mommy. It is like 25 minutes from their bedtime, and I'm letting you have a snack, huh? On a Saturday night. So, yeah. You're welcome, baby. And then he's just walking around. You're welcome, baby. And then they're just probably going to get on the little tablets and stuff to finish out the night. I need to really start this editing because I am not... I'm so backed up. And then I'm about to eat while I edit and enjoy a little bit of, yeah, candy as well. So, this should probably conclude my night, guys. You're killing it, man. Cheese. If y'all are not hip, try them. This is delicious, man. I clean it up every single time. Here come Mar. You can hear my nose running.